Denny Denny here. Well, again, I'm sorry about yesterday, but by golly, you know, you get older, you get all of these wellness checks. They want to come in and check if I'm okay. And the first thing they ask me is, are you okay? Well, yeah, so why am I here? But I got $25 out of the deal on my insurance company, so we're good to go. Now today, we're going to go ahead, I believe we're going to put the tabletop in and we're going to make it dark underneath it. And it's going to make everything actually just come together. And then we'll be very, very close to working on the skull. Okay? So let's head on over to Easel and get that tabletop in. I'll meet you there. And by golly, here we go. Sorry about yesterday, but the older you get, the more time you spend in doctor's offices and clinics and everything. And yesterday was just one of those days for me. I had this thing called a health screening. And so I went, I took it. I still have some health left. So I guess we're okay. So we're going to put in the brown for the table that all of this is setting on, okay? And it's really a pretty simple job. I mean, it's so simple I can do it. And if I can do it, you can do it, okay? There we go. We just paint it in just like that, okay? And then that situation has been taken care of. Tomorrow, after all this dries, we'll put the base in for the candle. Okay, I'm gonna make this just a little darker right through here and right through there. Okay, simple, easy schmeezy, lemon squeezy, or whatever it is they say. I will put some black in under it, just like that. There we go. There we go, just like that. And just a little drop over there. Now it's got a place to set and just be whatever it is. There we go. Now it's got its table. It's got under the table, it's got a background. Okay, we've got a candle, and we're going to do some more work on the flame. And here pretty soon, we're going to get going on the skull. So be with me then, be with me tomorrow, and we'll get that put in. And who knows, maybe we might get a start on the skull. So be sure to like, subscribe, leave comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We got her done, by golly. We got a tabletop in. Everything's looking good. Be with me tomorrow and we'll do some more work on it. And in the meantime, I want you to remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love each and every one of you.